Oh. We're going to Broga today. I've never been to Broga and I've never maybe pernah hike sekali dua kali.
Pernah?
Mungkin lah.
Don't lie.
Tak tahu lah kenapa tiba-tiba rasa macam nak hiking. Good morning, gorgeous saya. Morning.
Morning.
Hey, you also never wear belt. Wear belt, please. What do you mean dangerous? Go front. Good morning. Good morning. I'm doing a vlog. It is so super dark, yo. Gelap gila lah. Tira gelap. That's so. Tira. Gelap gila. What the? Leader. Are you sure or not? Okay. Correct. Okay. Yo. I think we're supposed to be there. I don't know. I don't even know how I made it this far.
Oh, the trail.
Just follow me. Be careful here. I'm not going to die today.
Are you okay, Lizzie?
I'm not struggling at all. Manusia! What if we die up here? I think we might die here. I think today's the day. Someone need to send a helicopter. Alright, at least we made it here. Somehow it's just me and Joe here. Don't know where's the rest. No, but seriously, send help. Like, I'm just gonna sit here until someone comes. Oh my god, we freaking made it, yo. I guess this is what we came here for. I'm the queen of the world. Hey. I'm going to slide.
Lizzie.
Huh?
Okay, terus letak beban ni dekat tali.
Oh my god, I made it all the way down. We're just going bowling after this. No more hike. So it turns out yang jalan kita ambil tadi jalan lama, and that's why it was harder. But I made it up and I made it down, and I'm very proud of myself. Okay, that's all for today.